Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what does PlayStation Plus Premium include. So here I will show you, we are in the PlayStationPlus.com. So here all you have to do is go see all membership plans and you can be redirected to Premium. So here you can choose from Premium, Extra, and Essential. So we're going to talk about our Premium. So as you can see right here we have our Premium. So we have our classic catalog, so this will be included in Essential and Extra, of course. So you also have your game trials. So this is when actual games that really won't really come out yet have trials. You also have your cloud streaming, so you can stream through the cloud using this. So here in PlayStation Plus Premium, it also includes your game catalog, which is also included here in Essential, your online multiplayer. So let's just scroll up so that you'll see what are the difference between them all. So as you can see, online multiplayer is available, so you can play with friends and all. Exclusive discounts will be also available for you, and premium, extra, and essential. You also have your exclusive content, cloud storage for all, and share play. So this is where everything will differ. Your game catalog. So the essential doesn't have a game catalog. So the game catalog basically has a bunch of different games from A to Z. You have your Ubisoft classics. You can access classic games from Ubisoft from the past. So you also have your classic catalog. So this will apply from your A to Z games from very previous generations of your PS 1, 2, 3, 4 games. You also have your game trials such as this one, like I mentioned a while ago. The game trials are not those that are released yet, but you can still try them. You have your PS5 cloud streaming, which I mentioned a while ago too, where you can actually store your games in the cloud where you don't have to use your physical storage. You also have your Sony Pictures catalog. So there you go guys, here. That is your premium in PlayStation Plus. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.